guys, so sorry about this week and not doing a weekly video. I feel so bad. But just in case you haven't been following along what we've been doing this week. So Monday, we did the climate versus weather Nearpod and notes. So here's the Nearpod. I know some people had problems with it saying it needed a code. You shouldn't need a code. Let me know if it's not working for you. And then here's the note sheet you're going to fill out along with that. Okay, climate regions of the world. This assignment, when you click on that, you're going to have the assignment down here. You're going to have two files to kind of help you out. So first one, the climate regions of the world. You're going to be using a reading to help you read about the different climates around the world. And then, oh, it did me it twice. And then you also want to click on this, the reading. Okay, so here it talks about, okay, what are the different categories in each of the climate regions and then characteristics. So for example, tropical, I guess the internet is so slow at school, guys. There we go. So here it has tropical climates and it has, tropical wet, tropical dry. So go over here to tropical, it will do tropical wet, tropical dry. Okay, characteristics, you go back, look over here, read this. It says it has a subregion that has a very little variation in temperature over the years. It's always hot. Oh, that's something I want to write down on that sheet. Always hot with an average temperature of 80 degrees. Ooh, okay, it's not only it's really hot because the average temperature is 80. The days begin sunny, but at afternoon have clouded up and it rains almost daily. Ooh, there's another characteristic, rains every day. That's something that you want to write down. The average amount of rain in a year is more than 80 inches. Whoa, that's a ton of rain. So you may want to make sure you write that down on your chart over here. And tropical climates are found in Central and South America, as well as Africa and Southwest Asia. So you would want to write that down as well on here. Now, it's going to be a little bit harder for you guys to do the map part. If you have a printer at home and you want to print it out and then do the climate map, you will use this part of the book right here. Otherwise, just email me and let me know you don't have a printer so I don't count that against you when you turn it in. Okay, so that is for the climate region. So Monday we did climate and weather notes. Tuesday is the world climates. Wednesday is weathering and erosions, forces of change. So there was also a problem with this Nearpod. I don't know if Nearpod and Canvas are fighting, guys, but there's the Nearpod, and then here are the notes. Okay. Then that ties into the activity that we're doing today. We're going out and looking at pictures of weathering and erosion, and I put the pictures on a Google slide on here. So when you click on that, you'll have a Google slide and you'll have pictures. Okay, and then on here you'll just put like, oh, picture one. Is it weathering or erosion? So type picture one there. Weathering or erosion. Is it showing the breaking down of rocks, or rocks being broken into smaller pieces, or rocks, dirt, and sand, etc. getting taken away? That's erosion. So breaking down, erosion, materials getting taken away, erosion, sorry. Breaking down, weathering, taking materials away, erosion. Evidence, tell me, how can you tell that's erosion or weathering? Okay, and then what will happen in the next thousands of years to that rock or that statue or that house? What is going on? Okay, so that's with that. And then the Friday assignment, I made its own little video that I'll put in the assignment, and I'm also going to post it on announcements too. All right, so that's what we're doing for this week. Here's the Friday assignment. All right, we will have a test next Wednesday, and next week I'll be sending out the quizzes code for that. All right, guys, have a great day.